What up, YouTube? This is gonna be a recap of a few boxes I got. First was 2007 SP Legendary Cuts, and I got a Steve Carlton jersey with pinstripe, and then Walt Whitman, numbered 33 of 550, and then Richie Ashburn, number 370 of 550. And then a Melot cut auto, number 3 of 4. And then next is 2008 Leaf Rookies and Stars. Darius Reynolds, number 48 of 49. Corey Boyd, number 22 of 99. Tom Brady, number 2 of 5 of 249. Chad Pennington, numbered 164 of 249. Chris Johnson, numbered 1,000. Malcolm Kelly, numbered 1,000. Steve Slate, numbered 1,000. Thomas Swede, numbered 1,000. Ryan Mullen, numbered 1,000. Paul Smith, rookie, numbered 1,000. Philip Marlene, rookie, numbered 1,000. Will Franklin, rookie. Marcus Thomas, rookie. Jonathan Stewart, number 500, gold. Ellie Doucette, number 500, gold. And then the hits were Matt Ryan, jersey, studio rookies, number 223 of 250. Eli Manning, gold stars, jersey card, number 223 of 250. And then Chad Henne, dress for success, number 221 of 250. And then I got a Chad Henne manufacturer patch autograph, but I don't have the redemption. It was a redemption. And then next was a Bowman Leaf Rookie, or Bowman Jock Picks and Prospects basketball, which was a hot box. And I got a redemption for Dominic McGuire rookie refractor. Dwight Howard jersey, not numbered. Corey Brewer jersey, not numbered. Marcus Williams, rookie, numbered 1,000. Jared Jordan, numbered 300. Aaron Brooks, numbered 3,000. Al Thornton, numbered 3,000, or 200. DJ Strawberry, numbered 300. Morris Allman, numbered 3,000. Kevin Durant, rookie, number 3,000. AC Law, number 3,000. Can't pronounce the guy's name, number 3,000. AC Law, number 3,000. Nick Young, number 3,000. Javaris Crittenton, number 3,000. Brendan Wright, number 3,000. Ron Artest X Factor, numbered 1 of 50. Jason Kidd, number 99. Brian Gomes, number 400. Jeff Green, number 3,000. Stephanie Lassam, number 3,000. Kevin Martin, number 300. Mari, number 400. Boris Daw, number 200. And the hits were, more hits. Kevin Garnett, dual jersey, number 200. Al Thornton, numbered 50. And Brandon Wright, refractor autograph, numbered 479. Alright, all these cards are up for trade or sale, so just PM me if you have an offer.